Hi there, my lovelies. This is Jana here. Welcome to my kitchen. Look at this. You know what it is? Yeah, I know you know because it's on the title, but this is a different way. I haven't seen anything on the internet like that, so I'm very proud of myself. This is a ground cheese, ground Parmesan cheese, vegan of course, made out of popcorn. Yeah, I know, right? I had this idea the other day because I saw a very famous chef in Brazil making some sort of a farofa. I'm sorry, I don't know the translation to that. It's something that we put on our food in Brazil. It's made out of a cassava flour, and he made it with ground popcorn. And I'm like, hello, this can turn into a Parmesan cheese, and that's exactly what I did. Alright, so now we're going to start by blending popcorn corn, okay? I think if you live in the United States, I think that grits work too. I haven't tried because I tried to buy it. I even tried to buy it on the internet, but no luck. I couldn't find it. But I think it works. Just blend it, just the same, okay? And now that it's blended into submission, we're going to add butter to a skillet. And once it's melted, we're going to add the ground popcorn. Now, I want you to be generous on the butter. Of course, it's vegan butter. Don't you have vegan butter? Don't you know where to buy? Do you think it's expensive? I have a recipe just here, just for you. So click on that. And what do I mean by be generous? Parmesan cheese is very rich, and you know that fat translates into flavor, and that's why I want to do that. If you want to skip the fat on this recipe, sorry, you can't, okay? Then try to go to my other Parmesan cheese also over here, because this is more like something more up to your alley. This one needs the butter. So we're going to saute this for 3-4 minutes in medium heat, medium low heat, okay? And now we're going to add a little bit of water. And we're going to keep adding water until it cooks through. And how do you know if it's cooked through? If it's soft. And the total cooking time might be around 20-25 minutes. Now you turn off the heat, add salt, white pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and nutritional yeast. I didn't show it on camera, but I also added 3 or 4 drops of lemon or lime, so just for a little bit of a balance, some acidity. It needs it. And also white pepper instead of a black pepper, okay? Because we're not going here for the heat, for the heat of the pepper. Instead, we're going for the flavor, because white pepper, it has a very nice cheesy, if you can say that, strong taste, and that's why we use it on this recipe. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, literally. And there you go. It tastes amazing, it freezes amazingly, and listen, a little goes a long way, okay? It goes a long way. I mean, this is just a portion. I have 3 of those. So, and then I used half a package, and I love it. And I love when I come with those different ideas. And where you can put it, anywhere you would put vegan Parmesan cheese on. So make it, and if you make it, please tag me Instagram and Facebook. Written recipe and the quantities and the method on my website. Over here, it's written over here. And subscribe to this channel. Give me a thumbs up. And I will see you next time. Have a fabulous week. Bye.